Whew. Well, so I'm in the middle of a blizzard, traveling from Massachusetts through New Hampshire to Maine, and I'm in this weird little vending building, and I'm gonna try the premium gourmet coffee. Now there's coffee that's fresh brewed, and there's also premium blend fresh brewed coffee. So I got $1.50 credit, considering everything is $1.50. So I guess I want the one A3. Serving. Magic. And New Hampshire tends to have pretty okay coffee. I've been a touring musician around the country, and some parts of the country don't have the best coffee. So let's see if this meets the local standards or not. Claims it's ready. Decent size. Lids are over here. It's not horrible. Wow, it's definitely not horrible. It's not your gas station coffee. It tastes kind of like Dunkin' Donuts light. So I guess that would be pretty good for most folks around here. We'll give that easy 2 stars out of 5. Hopefully it'll get me through this blizzard.